Alright guys, in this video we are going to start our new manufacturing project. In this project we are going to start a manufacturing company. We will completely learn how we can implement that by considering a scenario that the company was using some other software or using Excel and now it's planning to move on QuickBooks. So we will completely learn how to implement the software, and this will be the introduction of the manufacturing project. So let's get started. Alright, now we are going to start our new assignment, and that is a manufacturing company assignment where we will learn how you can produce the items from raw material and convert it into finished goods. That is the main difference of manufacturing sector. Otherwise, the normal day-to-day activities are same for all the companies, whether it's trading company, whether it's service company, the activities are same. But only this manufacturing part is different, and that's exactly what we are going to learn here. And I'm using this Empire Textiles assignment that you can download with the link of this video. So just click on the resources section and you will get this assignment. So the scenario is that we want to implement a complete system from scratch, as if the company is using some other software and now they are planning to shift on QuickBooks. So we have this opening chart of accounts with the balances. We have the customers, suppliers, inventory details. In inventory we have the raw materials, right? Not the finished goods. So we have the raw materials and we have the bill of material section where we will set up a recipe to create shirts and pants. Basically this is a textile manufacturing company which manufactures shirts and pants. So cloth, bukram, thread, zips, buttons are their raw materials. So at the opening point we don't have any finished goods, we only have the raw materials, and we will feed the bill of material or recipe to manufacture a single shirt. So on the basis of that recipe, the whole system works. So it's very interesting. Let's get started and let's quickly create the company. First of all, let me show you that if you have an existing company open, you can go to file and simply close the company from here. And then let's click on create company. Now let's select for myself, start the setup, and if it asks you for sign in, you can click on sign in later to continue. And let's copy and paste the company name from here. Industry, I can directly write manufacturing here. I don't need to choose this, but if you want to see the chart of accounts separately, then you can click on help me choose, otherwise it's not required. So manufacturing is the industry. So business type is sole proprietorship, admin's email. Now this is a compulsory field, so let's quickly enter it. And the rest of details are pretty basic. You can enter it by yourself, and we will click on create a company. So guys, this is creating a new company. And by the way, if your setup got stuck, then you can go to the task manager and the task and just open QuickBooks again to create the company, and that should work. So let's click cancel. And here is our main screen. So our company is created. Now from the next video, we will start working on this project.